Let me create this kind of spiral object with the help of NX software. So open blank document. First of all, search the helix command and reset the parameter. Okay. Diameter of the helix should be 250. Pitch distance 100 and switch to the turns. Number of turns 10. For the variable diameter, we can use the linear option and start value 250 and end value 1000. Let me check. 1000. Okay. Let me give more. 1500. Okay. Now this is our helix shape. We have to convert our helix to the spiral shape. So go with the sketch option and select the top plane. Now projected curve, select the helix and OK. Helix will be converted into the spiral shape. Now hide this helix and datum coordinate. We have to create one profile on specific point. So intersect point, select this point. Okay. Create the circle with specific diameter of 35. Finish the sketch and go with the surface option, swept. Profile selected automatically, select the path. Hit the OK button. Our required geometry is ready.